Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn agrotourism from chapter number 3, Entrepreneurship Development. Agrotourism is also known as agritourism or rural tourism. This is the new approach towards entrepreneurship. So let us see what is agrotourism. A short note can be asked on this topic, or even the objective based question can be framed on this topic. First, we'll see the meaning. The word agrotourism is made up of two words, agro and tourism. Agro means agriculture and tourism means travel. So, agrotourism focuses on travel in agricultural field. With the help of agrotourism, farmers can increase their agricultural income, and agrotourism can become one of the income options for the farmers. Agrotourism can support agricultural economy. Agrotourism is a very simple thing. The people will come and visit the farms which are maintained by the farmers, and they will learn so many agricultural practices like picking fruits, tending bees and milking cow, etc. So, agrotourism is a travel in agricultural fields. See, this is one of the picture of agrotourism which is in Borgaon. Agrotourism is also known as Krushi Paryatan Kendra in Marathi. There are certain definitions of agrotourism. According to Thomas, the small landholders are the most precious part of a state. Farmers are very important, they are very precious. Agrotourism is the idea of bringing urban residents to the rural areas for their leisure travel and spending. So here the urban people will visit the rural area and they will enjoy their travel, and they will be the source of income for the farmers. Agrotourism is a commercial enterprise for the enjoyment of visitors which will generate income for the farmers. You will be very happy to know that Maharashtra state is the pioneer state of agritourism. That means agrotourism started first in Maharashtra. Agrotourism is a form of tourism which is considered as a growth industry in many parts of world, including India, Australia, Canada and even in United States and Philippines. Agrotourism is growing very fast. Now what happens in agrotourism? See, in agrotourism, the farmers grow and sell their agricultural product. But apart from this, they even manage the farm business. It includes business planning, finding land, managing employees, record keeping, and everything under the farm management. These are certain activities which can be conducted under the agrotourism. The visitors can enjoy cooking in villages, on chula and in the earthen pots. The visitors from urban areas will like to work in farm. They will enjoy their day as a tourist, and even there will be some activities like trekking, rope riding and many more. Agrotourism is based most of the outdoor activities like trekking, fishing, hunting, wildlife study, horseback riding, etc. Similarly, the visitors will learn something new like rice plantation, cooking experience. Similarly, there will be some entertainment activities like Harda party in Maharashtra or something like Shekoti. There will be farm stay also, guided tours and even the outfitter services also. There will be so many different direct sales also where the visitors can buy agricultural products. Agrotourism is a really gaining lot of popularity, and it is supporting our farmers also. If the visitors who are the customers for the farmers, if they are very happy, they will definitely return and they will tell their friends and family about the farm. Farmers, they can give some type of free refreshment, or even they can give some complimentary products like milk or butter, samples, fresh food, fresh fruit juices, etc. And in this way, farmers can expand their business through the fun and entertaining activities. They can organize contests, they can organize some games like that. Even for the children, they can organize some play like straw mazes, pumpkin painting, or scarecrow making, and even adults will enjoy the classes on painting. So, in this way, agrotourism is getting lot of importance in our country and even worldwide. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share with your friends. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment box. Thank you. Take care. See you soon.